Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with the process on how to change Shein account password? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on Shein application. Now, without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. In order to change the password in our Shein application, the first thing we're going to do is open our Shein app. Once you have opened your Shein app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you can see various options, and from here on the right hand side corner on the below you can see your profile icon written me, and here you'll have to tap on that option. And once you have tapped on the option, here you can see various options, and on the top you can see about 3 icons, and on the right hand side corner there's a gear icon that you'll have to tap on. Once you have tapped on the gear icon, here you can see various options such as your profile name and your address book, manage my account, location, language, and so on. From here, you'll have to tap on the manage my account option that is located on the second option right below address book. And after tapping on manage my account option, here you can see about 5 options. Here on the third option, there is change password. Tap on it. And after that, here you'll have to go through the process of changing your password, and the process is very simple. First of all, you'll have to type in your old password, the old password that you have used while creating your Shein account. And after that, you'll have to type in the new password that you want to set. So I will be filling in the old password. Then I will be filling the new password. And once you're done with the entire thing, tap on submit. And just like that, as you saw, your password has been changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.